In this Money Easily review, I'm going to be showing you if it is possible to make this $25 bonus after you sign up, and I'm also going to be showing you if it is possible to earn and withdraw more than $200 bonus on the day of registration. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Money Easily is worth your time. So as you can see, this is the dashboard of Money Easily, and this is the interface that you're going to be getting after you have signed up to Money Easily. But I'm going to be going through this later in the video. Now let's have a look at what the main website has got to say. Before that, if you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new website software and courses. And I also would like to mention that there's a link that is given in the description, which is basically a free affiliate marketing guide that has personally helped me from going from $5,000 to $10,000 per month. So I would like to mention that it is a free affiliate marketing guide. So all you have to do is just enter your email and I will send it to you into your email. First of all, I would like to tell you guys that the domain of Money Easily looks really scammy. So most legitimate website would have .com or .co or .net, but Money Easily seems to have mlc.buzz. So that itself is a big red flag for me. So if it were me, I wouldn't have really went into the website because of how the domain is looking like. So this is a big red flag for me. But let's just ignore that and go further into the website. And if you look at this, they are claiming that they're giving $25 bonus for just signing up. First of all, $25 for just signing up is a lot of money to give away. So I really don't think you guys can be making $25 for just signing up, because that is really stupid and I really don't think you can make $25. And the third thing is that the $200 bonus on the day of registration. So Money Easily basically is a GPT style website. So it's get paid to do surveys, do tasks, do other things and stuff. So it is a GPT style website. So most legitimate websites like Swagbucks only pay like $1 or $2 per day. So that is the most amount of money that they are giving away for a GPT style website. But Money Easily is claiming that it can make you up to $200 bonus on the day of registration. So that seems too good to be true, and I really don't think you guys can make $200 because it is really a lot of money, and this business model doesn't make sense if they are giving away like $25 and $200 on the day of registration. So it's a lot of money to give away. And if you look at here, they are saying that I can create an account. So sign up for Money Easily account and get $25 instantly. So you're not going to be getting this $25 instantly. It doesn't work like that. I think it is a big scam. And now they're saying that you can share, browse and earn, you can receive your payment and all that. Now if you scroll down, and this is like one of the biggest scams if you look. So they're saying you can make $850, $1,789. That is a lot of money, and you can make $659. So this is like a lot of money, and I really don't think you can make this money. And the scam I would like to mention here is that as you can see, the date is July 17, 2023. So if you look at the date of registration of the website, so you have to go to this website who.is, and if you type in moneyeasily.mlc.buzz, you can see that the registration is on I guess September. So it is on September, and the payment was made on July. So the payment was made before the registration of Money Easily has been made. So that alone is the biggest red flag of all. Now let's have a look at the dashboard of Money Easily. So the first way you guys can earn is with the share and earn. So basically you have to send this link to your friends, families or any other people in order to earn. So all you have to do is send them the link, and if they sign up to the platform, you could be earning up to $20. See, again, that is a lot of money and it doesn't make sense. And another thing about is that if someone clicks on the link, you can earn up to $2. So if your friend or family just clicks on the link, you will get paid $2. See, if that would have worked, I would have been the richest man on the planet. So this doesn't make any sense. And if you scroll down, there are other ways that you can make money. So the first is that I have to complete these tasks, then I have to watch these videos, and I have to complete this daily milestone. So if you click on the complete task, you will get into this place like here. So here I have to like randomly recommend the most popular games. So there's a task that I have and I can earn up to $20, which again doesn't make sense. So website like these only pay up to a few cents, maybe 10 cents for a task or 20 cents for a task, or a maximum of $2 per day. That's all that they will pay for a GPT style website like Swagbucks. But this GPT style website is claiming that they can give you up to $20 per task. So here again $20, here again $20. It just doesn't make sense. So I think it is a big scam. So if I scroll back and if we go to watch videos, you can see that if I watch this video over here, I can get paid up to $15. Guys, do you really think you can make $15 by just watching these videos? It's really stupid. You can never make $15. Let me assure you, you can never make. And if you watch this video, you can get an again $15. Guys, don't fall for it. This is a complete scam. You're never gonna make money by just watching some videos. Now let's go back. And they are telling us to complete this daily milestone. Let's have a look. So I have to invite people. Okay, that is full of scams, so I don't even want to look at it. So if I complete this milestone, I can be earning up to $35, $15, which is a lot of money. So the maximum for these legitimate GPT style website is like a few cents or up to $1 or $2. So these $2 tasks can take you up to like 60 minutes or 30 minutes. So that's how hard it is to making money on these type of GPT website. But this website is claiming to be will be making you a millionaire in like a month. So I really don't think this is a legitimate website. And if you go back to the dashboard and if you click on this, you can be seeing that they have other things like cash out, view cash outs and all. So suppose if you have made some money and if you're trying to add the payment method and if you're trying to cash out, trust me, you won't be cashing out anything, because these website won't allow you to cash out on the time when you're cashing out. So that is the big scam behind all this. So one way that they are making money is from these apps. So when we are directed and so what they are doing is driving traffic to these third-party apps. So these third-party apps can really pay MoneyEasily a lot of money for driving traffic. So we are just like a bait. So all we are doing is being a bait for MoneyEasily for them to be making more money. So when you sign up to MoneyEasily, they will be asking you your name, email, your password. So these information can be put in the black market, and MoneyEasily can make a lot of money by selling this information in the black market. So this is the kind of revenue model that they have. So make sure you guys don't even sign up to this website. I really don't recommend that. I have entered all the fake information as possible, and that's how I entered into this dashboard. So I really don't recommend this. So that was it for this MoneyEasily review. I really hope you guys enjoyed this review of MoneyEasily. If you want to check out the free affiliate marketing guide, make sure you click the link in the description, and I hope to see you on another review video.